It's day 4.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Morning. So today we are heading to Volcano Bay. It's 20 past 11 now, so we're just going to do a few hours there and then come back. And then we have the fireworks dessert party tonight, so hopefully we don't have any rain, because it's rained the past 2 days. So yeah, let's go. What? Ready? So we're back from Volcano Bay. We didn't film much because it's Universal and you can't really film anything anywhere. So we have a fireworks after fireworks
dessert party
booked for tonight, so we're going watching Happily Ever After. We currently do not have any dinner plans and I'm starving, so we need to find some food. Shall we get on the boat to Magic Kingdom?
Yeah,
Let's go get on a boat. It's a heavy door. There's a storm brewing.
that's why they've just closed the pool.
Yeah, they've just closed the pool. Everybody's being kicked out. Oh, it's such a pretty result. Let's go get a boat. I kind of want to hire a bike. Oh, lots of midges. Making my way downtown, walking fast.
We're on Mermaid again.
My ears are fitting for this. Ooh, I can feel the storm brewing. I think that over there is the old river country. We have an hour and 10 minutes.
Do you want to get food?
Where from?
You were flip-flops, isn't it?
Jungle Cruises shop.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go and get some popcorn.
You're enjoying yourself there. Ow.
Sorry. No, I don't want one of them.
Money.
Yeah.
Kind of like apple pie.
Yeah, can I just have a caramel sauce on top, please?
Just the caramel?
Yeah, please.
Sure.
My bad. It's dark.
I just recorded you taking those pictures. The making of these portraits is Leanne.
Congratulations. We're all on a person. You see a bunch. Just say happy birthday. That's how we reconnect with people. Yeah. People allowed to talk to people they don't know. It's okay here at Disney.
We forgot to finish the video again last night because we was really tired. I was really tired.
You was really tired, yes.
Dale went for a drink and I was asleep when he got back.
Yep.
So Did the dessert party.
Did you think it was worth it?
We got like a good view and had a nice view of the castle. It was an awful lot for what it was.
Yeah.
So, and then afterwards it felt a little bit like a school cafeteria.
Yeah. Free for all, really.
Yeah, just wasn't magical. Castle was. And then we went to Big Thunder Mountain. Did that, and by the time we come off, park was closed, so we had to leave. So we got the bus back, came back here, got in bed. Dale went for a drink. So really, we just had dessert as our evening meal yesterday. The rain made it. When the rain comes out, you can't really bring the camera out.
No.
And it rained a bit, so camera couldn't come out. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Comment down below what you like most.
Remember to share it with your friends.
Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
And remember,
never grow up.